Hello friends, it is Mubin Edu and Vlog YouTube channel. It is our second lecture. In first lecture, we did three questions of November intake 2019 paper 1 of mathematics for O level and IGCSE. This is video for O level and IGCSE maths. Now we are starting it again from question number 4. So we move to question number 4 here. So here question number 4 is solve the equation 6 plus 8x is equal to 7 minus 2x. Its weightage was of 2 marks. So now we are going to solve it. Here we have written it again. Then we move 6 from left to right. So it becomes minus 6 on right side. And here minus 2x from left to right side. So it becomes plus 2x. So we have separated both values, both type of values, one on one side only of x values and on right side the values which are not involved with x. So on left side 8x plus 2x is 10x and on right side 7 minus 6 is 1. So 10x is equal to 1. So we divide 10 on both sides. 10x over 10 is equal to 1 over 10. Here 10 and 10 is cancelled. So x is equal to 1 over 10. So our solution set is 1 over 10 singleton set. Now our next question is factorize question number 5. Here first part is 49 minus 90 square. Its weightage is just 1 mark. Now we are going to solve it for factorization. There are different type of questions and different type of formulae for factorization. Here which formula is used, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus a into a minus b. That means if we have two whole squares and in between them is a negative sign, then we write it as first term plus second term into first term minus second term. So this formula will be followed here. As you can see that here 49, that is square of 7, and 90 square, that is square of 3t. So here is first term is 7 and second term is 3t. So we write it as 7 plus 3t into 7 minus 3t. That is our answer. Second part is 15xy plus 5x minus 6y minus 2. Its weightage is of 2 marks. So here strategy is different. Here we may see that there is something common between two first terms and there is something common in last two terms. So we imagine it, we conceive it as if we take something common from first two terms and then in last two terms, then remaining is the same in both brackets. So we pick here 5x as a common, and when we divide 15xy by 5x, our quotient is 3y, and when we divide 5x by 5x, our quotient is 1. And in the last two terms, you may see that minus 2 is common, and when we divide 6y by minus 2, we get 3y. And similarly, if we divide minus 2 by minus 2, negative 2 is divided, then our quotient is plus 1. So you may see that here we have same terms in brackets for both pair of terms. So now we have two terms. The first is 5x into 3y plus 1 and second is minus 2 into 3y plus 1. So we take 3y plus 1 as common. So remaining is 5x minus 2. So now we move to the next question. Before discussing next question, I would like to tell you that our channel name is Mubin Edu and Vlog, and it is an educational and science and mathematics channel, and you may subscribe it, like, share and follow this video and comment also this video. You may send your comments on our WhatsApp number 0300649040. You may also send a request for free online tuition on this number. If you want to dial our international number, that is 00923006490480, because 0092 is international code of Pakistan. Now we start question number 6 here. Here its A part is a movie lasts for 1 hour 48 minutes and finishes at 10 15 p.m. Find the time it starts. It weightage is 1 mark. So when we want to solve it, first we convert this 10:15 into 9:75. Why? Its value is actually its reason is that this 10 hours, here we leave it 9 hours and 1 hour is converted into minutes. Those minutes are 60 in 1 hour, you know that, and 60 plus 15, that is 75. So 9:75 p.m. is the new time in terms of 9 hours and more minutes. So here we have new time 9:75, and as it is given in the equation that movie lasted for 1 hour 48 minutes. So we subtract here 1.48, that means 1 hour 48 minutes from this 9 or 75 minutes. So here we take carry, so it becomes 15, and when it is cut here it becomes 6. So 15 minus 8, that is 7, and 6 minus 2, that is 2 here. So now 9 minus 1, that is 8. So answer is 8 hours 27 minutes p.m. It was starting time of the movie. Now we move to the next part. Next part is B part is the size of television screen is given as 95 centimeter. Correct to the nearest 5 centimeter. What we have to do, that is write down the upper bound of the size of the television screen. So for this what we do, we write here upper bound of this size, and here we write the original size, the given size, which is 95, plus 5 divided by 2, because we want to find upper bound. If we want to find lower bound, then the same term 5 divided by 2 would be subtracted here, but here we are going to find upper bound, so we add 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, and when we add in 95 we get 97.5. So that's its answer. Now we move to the next question, that is question number 7. Here it is said that the diagram shows a circle, as you may see here, and its center, this point is the center, and two chords of equal length. This is first chord and this is second chord. It has these two have same length. The diagram has one line of symmetry, so draw this line of symmetry. So actually we have to find that line of symmetry which is there should be in the circle. So we draw this circle again and chords again. So this line of symmetry which is asked to us will be it would be passed from the center, and it would be parallel to both the given chords. So this diameter is actually required line of symmetry for this problem. Next, question number 7, part B is here. It is said that in the diagram below, two small triangles are shaded. So you may see that there is a big triangle and there are small triangles in it. Its numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 small triangles are there, and two of them are shaded according to the given question. So what we have to do, you have to do that, shade one more small triangle to give a diagram that has a rotational symmetry of order 3. So order 3 symmetry is rotational symmetry required here. If you rotate it 3 times, then its original position should be there, that is rotational symmetry of order 3. So we have to detect, we have to find the third small triangle which fulfill our requirement. So we move to the answer. Here these two are shaded already, and we shade this one. If we shade this specific small triangle, then our requirement is fulfilled and its rotational symmetry of order 3 produces. So that's our answer. So our today's last question is question number 8. By writing each number, correct one significant figure estimate the value of this given expression, that is 34.864 multiply square root of 8.987 divided by 0.6013. So for this solution of this question, first we have to write all the terms correct to one significant figure. When we convert this number 39.864 for to correct of to one significant figure, it becomes 40, because here after this decimal place there is 8, that is more than 5. So this would add 1 in the preceding term, that is preceding digit, so it would become 40. 9 is converted to 10, that means 39 actually converted to 40. So second number under the square root is 8.487 something, sorry 8.987 here. So again it is more than 5, so it would result in add in the preceding digit, then it become 9. So in the denominator we see here is 0.6013. So you may see that after first non-zero digit there is 0, that is less than 5, so it would not affect 6 anyway. So 013 would be deleted, removed, and it would become 0.6. So now we have three terms, 40, square root 9 and 0.6. So square root 9, as you know that it is 3, because 3 times 9 or 3 squares are 9. And then here we have solved this decimal sign. When this decimal is removed, here in numerator there is 10. So now we solve it. 3 1 times 3, 3 2 are 6, and then this 2 1 times 2 and 2 5 times 10. These three terms are cancelled among each other. Then here we have only 40 and 5 in numerator, all the remaining terms are cancelled. So 40 multiplied by 5, that is 200, that is our answer. So it's all about for today. So please share, like and comment this video, and subscribe our and your educational mathematics channel Mubin Edu and Vlog. So we see in the next video. Till then you may practice it again and again. Okay.